Good morning, student.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. I will check the attendance note. Survey Asa,
I'm present.
Aresta Panji.
Present.
Our topic for today is basic volleyball skill. Basic volleyball skill passing. Passing is one of the most important basic techniques in volleyball. Passing means directing the ball to a teammate accurately to control the game. There are two common types of passing in volleyball. One, forearm passing atau underhand passing. Two, overhead passing atau step back. See you in the next class.
See you.